Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really sorry I've been away for so long. You keep up with me on Instagram. I was away on my honeymoon for 2 weeks. Vinny and I were in Italy, and then when we got home, we both got pretty sick, so it took a little while to recover. Jet lag was such a bitch. So I thought before I would upload my makeup tutorial that I would kind of just hop on here and do like a quick casual video. So my main reason for hopping on here right now before I get in the shower is because I just kind of want to talk about what's going on with my hair. The first thing that I want to start off with, I think, is a protein treatment. I'm pretty sure from things that I've read online that my hair is just over moisturized because every time I deep condition, I tend to stay away from like heavy protein treatments just because years ago my hair didn't like it. I don't know if my hair likes it more now or it just needs more protein. So we're going to test that out. Let me grab the one I'm using and then I'll show you. I have talked about this mask before, but it's usually my go-to. So my favorite protein treatment is the Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair. This is a strengthening mask, and every time I use this, I feel like my curls just kind of spring up and spring back to life. I get the best results with this mask using the Hot Head heated cap. I will link a cheaper option on Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to do is just dampen my hair a bit. I just feel like the mask distributes a little bit more easily when my hair has a little bit of moisture to it. So I guess my main issue with my hair right now is just definition. And especially in the underneath layer of my hair, I feel like it's just totally almost straight. And I know that happens with my roots a lot. Also, it could be because of how long it is. That's why it's getting weighed down. I really want to cut my hair, but I'm really nervous about it. I feel like it's something I'm going to instantly regret once I do it because I always feel that way when I cut my hair. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I should cut my hair. I'm going to go in with the mask. I'm just going to distribute this with my fingers. I have an entire video where I talk about my favorite deep conditioners, although I think I am going to do an updated one. But if you do want some guidance on some hair masks right now, you can go ahead and check that video out. I will have it linked in a card. I also have been curious about Olaplex, and I remember I did Olaplex in the salon when I would bleach my hair many years ago, and I don't remember if I really liked it, or if my hair was just so damaged that it didn't really matter what I used at that point. But I've been thinking about trying Olaplex, like the at-home treatment. I think it's like number 3 or something. I'm gonna go heat up the hot head in the microwave and then leave it on for about, I think, 20 minutes. Yeah, like 15-20 minutes is the instructions. I just literally sat down because I was like, oh, I'll talk to them about this when I do my makeup, and now I can't remember what that thing is. My hair looks ridiculous already. Let's just clip these. Now I remember what I wanted to talk about. First of all, I want to talk about the products that I used in my hair in the shower to style, things like that. I also want to talk about like my plan of action for my hair going forward to try and get it back in tip-top shape. So anyway, kind of my plan moving forward when it comes to my curls is to air dry as much as possible. While the diffusing does make my curls very like tight and defined and gives me good volume, I feel like just obviously overall for the health of my hair. So as you can see today, I have clipped my roots to help give a boost in volume. I have a video about this specifically, so I can link that if you haven't seen it. I've also stopped conditioning my roots. I've never actually followed that rule. Maybe I just don't need to do that anymore, and that's like kind of one of the reasons my hair is being weighed down and there's just not, you know, as much definition and volume there. And I can keep you guys updated on what I feel like is working and what's not working. I feel like I got pretty good at navigating my hair when it was damaged, and I knew what I needed to do to get it back to healthy. But since my hair is generally healthy, I'm probably going to be trying some new things. I also wanted to talk about the products that I brought on my trip with me, like meaning my curly hair products. What I did is I basically just took all of the travel size items that I had because I like to use up products when I am on trips, so this way I can just like throw the containers out and not have to worry about the extra weight on the way home if I, you know, want to buy things or whatever. For shampoo and conditioner, I ended up bringing the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. The Perfect Hair Day set, I think I tried it like a long time ago and I found it in my cabinet and I was like, let me just bring this with me. It's okay. I don't feel like it does anything like great for my hair, but it didn't make it feel bad either. Then I brought a Briogeo leave-in mask. It's a very lightweight kind of like leave-in spray conditioner almost, but it just adds really weightless hydration to the hair. A travel size Diva Curl, not the super cream, but the styling cream. And I also brought my Way curl jelly. Days where I wanted a little bit more curl definition, I would go in with the styling cream and then the Way curly jelly. I also used my husband's Aussie 3-Minute Miracle a few times. He like loves that stuff. I know that has like silicones and stuff in it, which I'm not totally silicone free, but that stuff is just so good. I got the new Glossier MangoBalm.com and oh my god, it is so good. So as far as what I used on my hair today, I have been testing out the ouidad vitalcurl Plus line. Sorry, I'm looking for a brush to use with this. I did a shoot with them when they had reformulated this line and they used these products on set and I really liked them. And then I kind of forgot about them. I'm gonna blend this all in, don't worry. First of all, the line smells amazing. It has a scent that reminds me of the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And I have to double check because I know not all of ouidad's products are curly girl friendly. I believe this line is, but I will leave like an annotation or something somewhere when I look it up and confirm. When I was on set that day, they used the shampoo, conditioner, and then they had also used the mousse and then the gel, but I don't feel like I need both of those products today because the weather is not very humid and I just generally like to do less on my hair if possible. So I'm just using the gel. So I do know that the shampoo is sulfate free and it does a nice job of cleaning my hair, but also moisturizing without weighing it down. It lathers up really well. And the same thing with the conditioner. It does give hydration without weighing your hair down. It provides decent slip. It's definitely not the best that I've used for detangling, but what I like to do is let the conditioner sit on my hair for a while and then go in and detangle and add some water, and that usually makes it a bit easier to get any knots out or anything like that. When I tell you I've been using this blush every day, I'm not even joking. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies Matte in Sunkissed. This is the perfect blush color if you want like a natural looking flush or like a natural looking sunburn. It is the best. Now I remember why I never air dry my hair, because it takes forever. I am so impatient, but my hair is finally like basically dry. So I do want to share this new product that I've been trying out, and this is the Armco Aircraft Pomade Mousse. I have tried this as a styler on its own, but I really like this for adding some volume once my hair is dry. So I will take just like a very small amount and just kind of run it through the top of my hair. Of course, this is going to add a little bit of frizz, but if you like volume and don't mind the frizz, you can try it like this. It's gonna take a little bit more and just kind of shake it through the ends of the hair. So I have another Armco product that I haven't tried yet. This is their glossing wax. It seems similar to the Diva Curl Beautiful Mess, but it feels a bit more creamy, not as sticky, and the product itself is a bit more solid. It also kind of smells like a men's fresh scent, which I like, but I'm just going to use this to kind of gloss over some frizzier areas. I'm gonna keep testing this out, but I do like this so far. A lot of times with waxes or like pomade balm type products. My hair just hits like a certain threshold where it's like no more product, and no matter what you put on it, it will just dry straight. My hair seems to be responding nicely to this, and it's very pliable and it leaves a nice shiny look, and my hair still feels soft. So that's going to be it from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your patience as I took a little bit of an unexpected hiatus. As always, you can leave any requests or anything down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you soon.